JP here. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the EC2, how to create that EC2 and try to access that EC2 instance. Okay. For that, we need to just go to the EC2. Right now, there is no instance that is running. So we'll launch the instance. Actually, I just wanted to discuss that before going to create one EC2 instance. There are different options also. So we can say EC2 VM for ourselves. So there are so many instances that you can just select. So Linux, or Ubuntu and Windows. So in different videos, we'll just go with the Ubuntu and Windows also. Today we are just going to focus on that Amazon Linux. Okay, and we'll go for that free tier. So we can select any whatever the need you are having based on that. So right now we are just for the learning purpose we are doing this. So we are going for the free tier eligible. Okay, it is already there. I'm just not going to change it. Then you can see that it is showing you that how much what the configurations this T2 micro is having. It is one CPU and 1 gig of memory. So based on that different instances, you can compare also that what you are looking for. So it will show you that okay, which one you want and what is your need or requirement. Based on that you can select. So you can compare and select in this way also. Yeah. So we are here and then we're going to create this key pair. So if you're not having any gallery, we are going to create a new key pair. So because we are talking about that Linux, we'll go for the PPK. We'll give our name that my key pair and today's date 222023. Okay, and create that key pair. So we'll downloaded this. Okay, so now we are going ahead. Will not change that network settings, but SSH is there that we can connect with through putty, and once that VM is up and we'll see we are able to connect or not. So for that we are already having the PPK key, so we are not going to change anything here. So default you are going to get this 8 GB, but you can change up to 30 GB, that is free tier. Just a second guys. Sorry guys. So we were here. Now we are going to the additional setting, advanced details. So here we are not going to change anything. It is giving all the configurations you wanted to stop your behavior of the VM that wanted to be changed, that you can do. You can go with the info and you can just try to understand what they are saying. So termination policy also, if you are going to enable, you are not able to close that and terminate it. They will not change those settings. And if you want to run some scripts right while your VM is getting up, so I'm having that script, so I'm just going to copy this script so that we can see that our instance is up or not. Yeah, so this is summary and we're going to launch this instance. Yeah, so Your instance is getting successfully created. Now it is in pending. So once all the settings are up, it is showing you that running. So we'll wait for some time. It should be up and running. So now you can see it is up and running, and it is initializing also. So there are some checks that is internally AWS is doing while creating that instances. So it is doing that. So once that status check is done, it will show you that green status also for that. Meanwhile, we just can see this. This is the public ID, this is the private. So use this public IP and we'll go for the putty. We'll try to access. So it's to users. What we have copied the public IP, we will just copy and paste here, and then we'll go to this connection and then SSH, and SSH will go for this auth and the credentials, so that we can whatever the ppk file we just copied, right? This is the copy files. So you can see that it is coming here. You have to pick this. Okay. Now we need to see that our things are up or not. It is taking time, guys. Okay, let's give a try with this putty. So because that everything is perfect, it is taking. So now you can see that it is authenticating my things, and now we are inside of that VM. So you can see how to just access this VM. You can see this is the private IP of your VM. But when we access through this public IP, right? So now we are able to access because of this authentications user and this. Yeah. So now we are going to close this, and because we don't want to, so now you can see that it is check is also per, but because it is all billable things and we were using the free tier right now, so when we are using this VM, that time only we'll be making it up. Otherwise we can just terminate this, stop and terminate this, so that will not get unnecessary billing for that. So this is the way to terminate this. So you can see this is successfully terminated. Hope this video is going to help you guys to understand and do some practice on EC2. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next video. Thank you.